Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. The cold weather is here, so what better time to get your hands on a heated steering wheel inside of a new Kia. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Telluride, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Niro, Forte, even the all-new 2023 Sportage is here and ready for a test drive. The best way to get your hands on a new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Season's greetings. I'm Howard with Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. Thinking about a new vehicle for the upcoming new year? Choose the 2023 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is an impressive CUV bursting at the seams with optional infotainment systems and space to match. Reasons to choose the 2023 Seltos include class-leading 10.25-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Standard, all-wheel drive and heated seats, and Kia's brand-wide industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop in or give us a call to reserve your 2023 Kia Seltos.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.